Hey students, okay, basic parallel circuit. What's constant in a parallel circuit? You say to yourself, of course it's voltage, because this is the same voltage. So what is voltage for R1, R2, and R3? 18 volts, which is the applied voltage. So if we know that 18 volts is constant in a parallel circuit, could we get IR1, 2, and 3? Yes, we simply divide 18 divided by 3K to get this current. 18 divided by 2K, 18 divided by 1K. These three currents must add up to I total. Let's get the three currents first. So the first thing we do is 18 volts divided by 3K equals 6 exponent negative 3, so that's 6 milliamps. So 6 milliamps goes here. Okay, the next one is 18 volts divided by 2K equals 9 milliamps. 9 milliamps is the current here. Last but not least, 18 volts divided by 1K equals 0.018 amps. So we're going to make it exponent negative 1, 2, 3, and it's going to be 18 milliamps. So 18 milliamps. To get R total in a parallel circuit, remember we have to do the reciprocal. So it's going to be open parentheses, 3K, shift reciprocal, which is basically 1 divided by 3K, plus 2K, shift reciprocal, plus 1K, shift reciprocal, and then we have to reciprocal the answer. So let's put it in the calculator. Open parentheses, 3K, shift reciprocal, plus 2K, shift reciprocal, plus 1K, shift reciprocal, close parentheses, and then we do one more shift reciprocal because the answer must be reciprocal. So our total in this parallel circuit is 545.45 ohms. We know that in a parallel circuit, our total has to be less than the smallest resistor, which in this case is the 1K ohms. So now we can get I total, right? To get I total, we simply do 18 volts, which is E total, divided by R total, which is 545.45 ohms. So 18 volts divided by 545.45 ohms gives you exponent negative 1, 2, 3, 33 milliamps. So I total is 33 milliamps. So that means I total of 33 milliamps comes into the circuit. When it gets to this point, it has a choice. 6 milliamps goes here, the rest of the current goes here. When it gets to this point, 9 milliamps comes down, and the rest, which is the 18 milliamps, come here. This one meets and this one meets, then this one meets over here, and then they go back home. That's how the flow of the current is. In a parallel circuit, voltage is constant. You must add up to make sure that this plus this plus this equals I total. So if your circuit ends in a parallel when you're doing series parallel, treat it as just a regular parallel circuit. Get all the information and then you can go back. Have a nice day.